So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. We're moving on to the next topic, guys. Lyft lawsuit update. If you guys can follow along with the drama, here we go. There were 2 previous legal actions for Uber and Lyft drivers to be able to recover money. There is now a new legal action that drivers can participate in. Drivers may be able to recover money. Link to apply is here, lawyersfordrivers.com. Very interesting. So you want to read this part?
Yeah. Lyft offers to settle New York driver classification disputes.
Wow. Drivers say they should be considered employees. So it's a class action lawsuit against Lyft or Uber. Lyft has offered to pay New York rideshare drivers $100 to $600 each. That's not bad. That's a good chunk of change.
Yeah.
$100? What would you do with $100?
I'd go to Nobu.
Well, and get 1 piece of sushi?
Spend it all in Nobu.
It's not going to last you very long at Nobu. I might get some Chick-fil-A. You know, if you go to Chick-fil-A now and order like a number 7, which is usually what I get, it's like $17. It's
Really?
too much money, yeah. It's
like
1 chicken sandwich,
meal?
fries, and a drink.
Oh.
It's like 7, and then the sandwich alone is like $10.
You can get like real restaurant food for that price.
It's inflation. Joe Biden. Jeez. Do you guys like Joe Biden? Well, I don't like not trying to get political here, but what do you guys think about politics? Not trying to get political here, but anyways, moving on. Yeah, let's move on to the next topic. So definitely check that out if you're interested, because Uber and Lyft, there's settlements going on. I mean, just check in or maybe talk to like a lawyer or someone, and maybe they can look into it for you. I mean, if you're like a full-time driver, you might be able to take advantage of this.